We travel all over the UK delivering our borders, and the thing that really gets me is the sort of traditional council planting is so uninspiring. This is a typical example. It's a bit of a litter gathering area. The plants aren't really happy, they're not in the right place, and basically people get bored with them and they do what they've done here. Now, unusual for this situation, they own this strip of land, so they took all the shrubs out, and as I was walking past, I asked them what they were going to do with it, and they're just going to put some membrane down and cover it with bark chippings or gravel. And I thought, that's really boring. I really like to create a real hive of activity for insects, bees and butterflies and wildlife, and a really beautiful flower border that would really make this part of the town just come to life and bring a buzz to the local community. Now, it may be low maintenance and keep the weeds down, but boy is it boring. I hate the stuff. It's got to go. So it doesn't look too bad actually. I'm going to add some granular feed first. I'm going to give it a little tickle over. It looks like it's been done already. And then a bit of compost. I think that'll be ready to go. About a handful every metre. Trying to create a mixture of flowers that will flower pretty much 12 months of the year. It's mid-November now. You can see it's still looking pretty good, and it will only get better. Is that your first plant that you've planted in the UK?
Yes.
Ah, that's good.
If I don't meet you, I think it's not going to be any plants in my life.
It's the first time he's planted anything in the UK. Where are you from?
Malaysia.
From Malaysia?
Yeah.
Right. If you just grab a bit of this and just put that will cover the paper. So the paper then biodegrades underneath the compost.
Okay.
And it just basically shows where everything goes.
Yeah.
So you don't have to have me to do it for you.
Yeah,
we
this
can
is
send
very
them
good.
off and people can do it themselves. That's great. Once we've done that, we'll be pretty much done. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
The secret to any gardening project is wear dirty clothes when you start. Then you don't mind getting them dirty. That's what I do anyway. It's been really good fun today. We've had a lot of people from the local area popping in as they're passing, putting a plant in. The people from the houses here, we've met 3 of the owners. They love it. It's middle of winter and it looks nice now. So just wait and see this changing through the seasons, because from March onwards, as it grows, it's going to look fantastic. It's going to be a real hive activity for local wildlife. And I think everybody's going to love it. I'm really happy with that. It's taken us about 4 hours. It's been really good fun. We've met the neighbours. They've met each other. They've all planted something individually, so they feel part of the community. And it's going to look fabulous for years to come, rather than some overgrown, boring evergreen shrubs that look terrible. Now, if you've got anything like this, or any people you know that could do with our help, just let us know. Garden on a Roll, helping your community grow. I like that.